Cache Giraffe server error on launch can come from the EAP's connection to its servers, your internet connection, or the app installation itself. Cache Giraffe also states that its app and services are not guaranteed to be available continuously or completely error-free. Cache Giraffe kawania. Ania, the fastest way to narrow it down is to check your connection first, then force close Cache Giraffe, update it, clear its temporary data, and reinstall it only if the earlier steps fail. Start by switching your connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try mobile data, or switch back to Wi-Fi if you are already on mobile data. A server error can appear when the app cannot establish a reliable connection. Next, completely close Cache Giraffe and open it again. On Android, you can also go to Settings, Open Apps, select Cache Giraffe, and use Force Stop. Then launch the app again. Google recommends force stopping apps that will not open or respond. Google helped to anti. After that, check for an app update. Open Google Play Store, go to your profile, select Manage Apps and Device, and check for available updates. Google specifically recommends updating an app when it crashes, will not open, or is not responding. And Google help to win. Sument. If Cache Giraffe still shows the server error, clear the app cache. Go to Settings Apps, Cache Giraffe, Storage, then clear the cache. Google lists clearing an app's cache and data as another troubleshooting step for apps that are not working properly. There is one important distinction here. If other apps and websites work normally but Cache Giraffe still cannot connect after these steps, the problem may be on Cache Giraffe's side rather than your phone. Cache Giraffe says it may restrict app availability when needed for network security or system integrity. Giraffe. If you reinstall the app, make sure your account information is available first, because uninstalling an Android app can erase locally saved app data. Google helped Fedin. So the practical order is simple. Test another connection, force stop Cache Giraffe, install any available update, clear the cache, and then reinstall if necessary. If the server error remains while everything else on your phone works, contact Cache Giraffe support instead of repeatedly reinstalling the app. If this fixed the launch error, leave a like and subscribe for more Cache Giraffe fixes.